All right, we got an unfinished basement here and going to be building climbing wall here. So it'll be on this wall here. There will be a door there to an office storage room. And then this wall here. Have a slight angle on this one. Nothing there. And then it will, excuse me, extend out onto the ceiling a little bit too. But yeah, here is the process. I've got 3/4 inch plywood, already started drilling some holes, and then I've got my T-nuts that I'm gonna start installing, putting them in place, and yeah, start putting it up on the wall and fastening it and securing it, and it'll be pretty cool. Pretty excited for it. So here we go. Got my little buddy helping me today. Oh, ready to put up number 2. This is the test fit here. It's going to be at a slight angle, and then I'll have some pieces fill in there. That way the doorway in this one will be angled to match, since it doesn't fit right at the end, but that's because I want it to be like that. Should be pretty cool. And then I'll just have kind of a face board there with holds that won't be movable. They'll just be permanent there. But got a couple more holds here.